Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Nur Hamidah. I'm from class 3A English Education Department. My present number is 7. Today, I want to explain about the material conditional sentences. Okay, in the next slide, what is a conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are statements discussing known factor or hypothetical situation and their consequences. Complete conditional sentences contain a conditional clause, or often referred to as the if clause, and the consequence. Okay, next. What are the different types of conditional sentences? There are 4 types of conditional sentences in English. Each expresses a different degree or probability that a situation will occur or would have occurred under certain circumstances. Okay, types of conditional sentences. Number 1, zero conditional sentences. Number 2, first conditional sentences. Number 3, second conditional sentences. Number 4, third conditional sentences. Okay, the next slide. Number 1, zero conditional sentences. Zero conditional sentences express general truths, situation in which one thing always causes another. When you ask a zero conditional, you are talking about a general truth rather than a specific instance of something. Consider the following examples. If you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. Okay, next. There are a couple of things to take note of in the above sentences in which the zero conditional is used. First, when using the zero conditional, the correct tense to use in both clauses is the simple present tense. A common mistake is to use the simple future tense. Incorrect. When people smoke cigarettes, their health will suffer. Secondly, notice that the word if and when can be used interchangeably in these zero conditional sentences. This is because the outcome will always be the same. So, it doesn't matter if or when it happened. And number 2 is first conditional sentences. How to use first conditional sentences? First conditional sentences are used to express situations in which the outcome is likely or but not guaranteed to happen in the future. Look at the example below. If you rest, you will feel better. If you set your mind to a goal, you will eventually achieve it. Note that we use the simple present tense in the if clause and simple future tense in the main clause, that is, the clauses at the expresses the likely outcome. This is how we indicate the under a certain condition, or as expressed in the if clause. A specific result will likely happen in the future. Okay, next. Number 3, second conditional sentences. How to use second conditional sentences? Second conditional sentences are useful for expressing outcomes that are completely unrealistic or will not likely happen in the future. Consider the example below. If I inherited $1 billion, I would travel to the moon. If owned a zoo, I might let people interact with the animals more. Notice the correct way to structure second condition sentences is to use the simple past tense in the if clause and an auxiliary modal verb. Example: could, should, would, and might in the main clause, or the one that expresses the unrealistic or unlikely outcome. Okay, next. Number 4, third conditional sentences. How to use third conditional sentences? Third conditional sentences are used to explain that present circumstance would be different if something different had happened in the past. Look at the following examples. If you had told me you needed a ride, I would have left earlier. If I had cleaned the house, I could have gone to the movies. The sentences express a condition that was likely enough, but did not actually happen in the past. The speaker in the first sentence was capable of leaving early, but did not. Along the same lines, the speaker in the second sentence was capable of cleaning the house, but did not. These are all conditions that were likely, but regrettably did not happen. Note that when using the third conditional, we use the past perfect. Example: had plus past participle in the if clause. The modal auxiliary, example: would, could, should, and etc. plus have plus past participle in the main clause expresses the theoretical situation that could have happened. Okay, thanks. Okay, this material is enough, and thank you for attention. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.